Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic large language models. So let's get started. What is the primary purpose of the KV cache, key value cache, during the inference phase of an LLM? The correct answer is option A. To avoid recomputing hidden states for previous tokens in the sequence. In low-rank adaptation, LoRA, which of the following is true regarding the model's original weights? The correct answer is option B. They are kept frozen while only small adapter matrices are trained. The chinchilla scaling laws suggest that most LLMs are currently. The correct answer is option C, undertrained, meaning they should be trained on more tokens for their size. FlashAttention improves the efficiency of the transformer architecture primarily by. The correct answer is option D, reducing the number of memory reads/writes between GPU HBM and SRAM. When adjusting the temperature parameter during LLM sampling, what is the effect of setting it to a very low value, e.g., 0.1? The correct answer is option A. The output becomes more deterministic and focused on high-probability tokens. Direct Preference Optimization, DPO, is an alternative to PPO-based RLHF. What is its main advantage? The correct answer is option B. It eliminates the need for training a separate reward model and complex RL loops. How does byte pair encoding, BP, handle the out-of-vocabulary problem in LLMs? The correct answer is option C, iteratively merging the most frequent pairs of characters or character sequences. Which of the following is a common cause of hallucination in LLMs? The correct answer is option D. The objective of predicting the next token regardless of factual accuracy. Rotary positional embeddings, ROP, are used in models like Llama 2. The correct answer is option A, incorporate relative positional information via a rotation matrix. Grouped query attention, GQA, was introduced to balance the trade-off between. The correct answer is option B, inference speed, multi-query, and model quality, multi-head. The MMLU, Massive Multitask Language Understanding, benchmark is primarily designed to test. The correct answer is option C, general knowledge and problem-solving across dozens of subjects. Chain of thought, COT, prompting is most effective for improving performance on which type of tasks? The correct answer is option D, complex multi-step arithmetic or logical reasoning. A mixture of experts, MO, architecture, such as in Mixtral 8x7v, increases the total parameters while. The correct answer is option A, keeping the active parameters per token constant and low. When using 4-bit quantization, like bits and bytes NF4, what is the primary goal? The correct answer is option B, to reduce the memory footprint so large models fit on consumer GPUs. Anthropic's constitutional AI approach aligns models primarily through. The correct answer is option B, a set of rules, a constitution, that the model uses to critique its own responses. Which of the following is not a form of parameter-efficient fine-tuning, PEFT? The correct answer is option D, full parameter fine-tuning. In the standard transformer architecture, what is the computational complexity of the self-attention mechanism relative to the sequence length, n? The correct answer is option A, O(n) squared. Beam search decoding is often preferred over greedy decoding in tasks like translation because the correct answer is option B. It explores multiple potential paths to find a sequence with higher overall probability. What is the primary goal of instruction tuning in the development of an LLM? The correct answer is option C. To align the model's responses with human-style commands and formatting. In a few-shot prompting scenario, the model is provided with the correct answer is option D. A few examples of the task and expected output within the prompt. What does the term emergent abilities refer to in the context of large language models? The correct answer is option A, capabilities that appear in large models but are absent in smaller versions of the same architecture. Perplexity is a common metric for LLMs. A lower perplexity score generally indicates the correct answer is option B. The model is better at predicting the sample data. How does a sparse model architecture differ from a dense model architecture? The correct answer is option C. Sparse models only activate a subset of parameters for a given input. In the context of chat APIs, what is the primary function of the system prompt or system message? The correct answer is option D. To set the persona, constraints, and behavior of the AI assistant. Data contamination in LLM evaluation occurs when the correct answer is option A. The test set questions are included in the model's pre-training data. The standard loss function used to train most LLMs during pre-training is the correct answer is option B, cross-entropy loss. Knowledge distillation in LLMs involves the correct answer is option C, training a smaller student model to mimic the behavior of a larger teacher model. In the Llama 2 chat training process, rejection sampling was used to the correct answer is option D. Select the best responses from multiple model outputs for further fine-tuning. Multi-head attention allows the model to the correct answer is option A. Attend to information from different representation subspaces at different positions. In a retrieval-augmented generation (RG) system, the retriever component typically uses which technology to find relevant documents? The correct answer is option B, vector similarity search, e.g., cosine similarity in a vector DB. Thank you for watching.